Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm just going to give you a very quick and easy piano tutorial on the song Monster by Shawn Mendes and Justin Bieber. It's going to sound a little something like this. And then the chorus like this. One more time that chorus. All right, so let's quickly go over those chords. It's pretty easy to play. So first, we're going to start off with a D minor chord. That's just going to be this, a D in the left hand, and then we have a D, F, and A. We're just going to move everything down one step now to a C chord, C in the left hand, C, E, and G. Now what we're going to play is this chord, which is a G7 chord over a B. This is a unique chord because it's not in our D minor scale. There's no B, so we're actually kind of borrowing this chord. Or you could say it's from the D Dorian scale, which is the scale that has no black keys used in it, but it starts on a D. Anyways, so this is our chord, B in the left hand, B, D, F, and G in the right hand, and then we go down to a B flat chord, going back from our D Dorian mode into our just D natural minor here. This is going to be a B flat in the left hand, B flat, D, and F in the right hand. So those four chords again, D minor, C, G7 over B, and a B flat. And then you get into the chorus and it's exactly the same, D minor, C, but now instead of the G7, we're going to have a G minor 7, so we're going to come down here, it's going to be just like before, but now we're going to play a B flat here in the right hand, B flat, D, F, and G, and then we're going to have a G in the bass. And then back up to a B flat. D minor, C, G minor 7, and B flat. Then if you want to put a little rhythm into it, you can do something like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Kind of count out something like that. And if you want to add a little bit of the melody in as well, you can play something like this. And yeah, now that you've got those chords down, run with those, adapt them to however you want to, and just play what sounds good to you. Just have fun with that. Hey everyone, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for checking it out. By the way, if you're new to my channel, my name is Josh and I make piano tutorials and other videos here on YouTube to help you learn how to play the piano. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe to my channel and remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it as well. Also, let me know down in the comments what other songs you want to hear. All right, that's it for today. See you later.